The fall months ahead are usually the slow months in the housing market, with fewer home sellers selling. But we're not back to normal yet. Enough new sellers means buyers are seeing even more price cuts than normal, even when lower interest rates could make homes more affordable than they've been in recent months. Hi, I'm Skylar Olsen, Chief Economist at Zillow, and this is Market Trends, where each month I'll help you unpack what's happening in the housing market. Sellers are cutting prices to entice buyers struggling with affordability. Normally, we'd expect about 1 in 5 sellers to drop their list price during the month of August. Last year, we saw even more than that, and this year, even more still. Nationally, more than 1 in 4 listings have their price cut during the month, and that's going to be true in 30 of the 50 major metros analyzed by Zillow. In some metros, including Denver, Dallas, Tampa, Salt Lake City, the share of sellers lowering their sale prices is a third or more. Buyers watching these price drops know that this could mean a number of things. Maybe the home wasn't competitively priced or well marketed to begin with. Or it could mean that the home needs a little work. It could even mean that there weren't enough similar nearby recent home sales to compare to and thus evaluate a fair listing price in the first place. If you're seriously in the house hunt this fall, know that an agent helps you determine whether that house you've been eyeing, the one with that price cut, is actually a good deal or not. Real estate agents are on-the-ground experts on local conditions. They should be able to tell you when a home is priced too high and can help you craft a strategic offer. Now, the combination of homes with a price cut that have lingered on the market, more new inventory from existing homeowners, and a significant upswing of newly built homes to market this fall means that buyers have more choices than they've had as well in the recent past. Now, this comes just as interest rates are the lowest that they've been in more than 2 years. The monthly payment is down by over $100 since the top of August and down by over $200 since the beginning of May. Now, this is good news for buyers. However, it always comes with a caveat. Lower interest rates could draw more buyers into the market, which could heat things up again. And that's what we'll be watching going forward with our market data. Now, similarly, let's say a listing is actually appropriately priced and well marketed. Competition between buyers then can remain strong, especially in some areas. Buyers will want to keep in mind that a third of homes nationally sold above their list price in August, despite all those price cuts. So there is value in working with a local agent. Let's pop back out big picture. Mortgage rates, they're hard to predict, but they recently dropped significantly. No one can guarantee where they'll go from here, but in the meantime, markets are not quite yet competitive. This is a moment for those sideline buyers who have been waiting for lower rates and more affordable options. A prepared buyer who has worked out their budgets with a loan officer and can make a competitive offer on a home they know they can really settle into is in a much better position today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and our Market Trends newsletter for all of your housing market and data updates. And as always, good luck out there. And as always, and I got chickens. I don't know their names, they look too similar. I call that one Carmel often.